Well, good morning once again. It's kind of raining though. I was hoping to have this big transformation of washing all the pollen off my car, and it got dusted with 4,000 layers of pollen over 3 weeks. So we was going to do this big, cleaning, but it's raining. So, yeah. I am fixing to go get some tires put on the rear because it's out of line. The insides of the rear tires are bald. So I've got some new tires and I will show you. So here's the label if you're wondering what they are. That's the size and everything, and then here's kind of like the pattern. It changes from like wide to well, kind of little. It does change. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out, but yeah, they're Achilles radial tires, ATR Sport. So yeah, we'll see how that goes with the old FRS. You see really what kind of grip status they have, because and road noise. I really want to see about the road noise because these tires have some issues with road noise. It's ridiculous if these Achilles have bad road noise. If they do, then we'll be changing them out again after I burn them off. We're gonna change out the front tires if these sound good and don't have road noise. I mean, some road noise is permittable, but as loud as these are right now, it's not. I'm not gonna deal with that. It's like riding on mud tires. It's not that bad, but for a street tire, it's that bad. We've got to go get the tires put on, so let's do that. All right. First issue of not having a hatchback. The Tiburon that I had before was a hatchback, and I could fit 6 tires in the car. Well, this one fits 1 in the trunk and 1 in the passenger seat. I'm glad I only got 2. So I'm doing like 35, right? Just listen. Road noise. It's a little bit loud for me. I'm not trying to complain. I'm just saying, these Amazon tires that are on here, nah, bruh. Oh gee, that sounds bright. Hey guys, so what do I think about these tires after driving on them for a week? Well, let's just look at them. Let's see. I mean, there's still really good tread, obviously. I've only drove on them for a week, like I said. So, what do I think? I like them. The only thing is, if it's cold, this is one thing that I don't like. They're like a softer compound or something. I don't know what's the deal. But if it's colder at night, they get flat spots. Sitting in the parking lot, they get flat spots. So, yeah. Fixing to go for a test drive to see if there's any road noise. All right, and then we may wash the car because it's got all kinds of bird crap on it. I guess the birds don't like my car. All right. So yeah, I would like to wash it because look. This is what can you see? I can't zoom in too much, but you see how pale that hood is, or how dirty that hood is? It's not shiny at all. Alright, so we're going speed limit. We're going about the speed limit, and the noise isn't too bad. Considering this was a driver's car, the noise isn't too bad. I can differentiate though the noise coming from the front to the noise of coming from the rear, from behind me. And the ones that were on there before, I think partly because they were bad, but partly because of the design of the tread too. The tires were loud. These tires are not that loud, and I mean, they're fairly grippy. I'm not spirited driving or anything like that. I'm just driving. I'm trying to get on, you know, decent roads, but those are few and far between in Alabama. So if you have a decent road and you live in Alabama, that's nice. I'm proud, happy for you. But yeah, so the noise isn't too bad. The front noise though, the front noise is pretty bad. It's loud. They're still the same brand as what I took off the rear. I've got to get 2 more and put them on the front. Plus I got an alignment. Yeah. There's something bent or messed up in the right rear to where I have 2 degrees of camber, and it won't come out of 2 degrees of camber. I'm supposed to have like 1.5 something. But back to that camber thing, there's something messed up. We got to take a look at it. We're gonna change the suspension on this car anyway, so it's not really that big of a deal. However, I do want to know what's bent, so that way we could replace it first and get it out of the way. I mean, we're gonna do a full build on this car: suspension, engine, trans, diff. We're gonna do it all. All right, so y'all just hang in there with me. Give me a second. I think this isn't even. Oh, gee, even more back roads. Like, look. Hold on. Yeah. Right? This is the path I chose to film, and so yeah, let's get back to the house and get well, it says my camera's about to die. Get a fresh battery put in, and then we'll start washing the car, because it's like 6:30. Maybe somebody will recognize this spot. It's not as sunny, and yes, I'm driving down the middle of the road, but it's the smoothest part, so maybe somebody will recognize this spot right here. So I've got my water soap bucket, dirty bucket, and we got the tire brush and mitt here. But look how dusted this car is. It looks shiny on camera. Looks real shiny on camera, but look, birds hate it. Let me see if I can get. I can't. You can see the dirt right there. Sure. Yeah. If you can't see the dirt right there, I'm sorry, but this car is dusted, bro. Like dusted. Birds hate this side too. You know. But yeah. It looks really clean on camera. Like I could get away with this for another month probably on camera. But yeah. Here we go. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do first is I like to just go ahead and, you know, yeet and sklaboosh. Oh, you didn't even see it. So yeah, I like to just go ahead and soak that mitt. Yeah, I don't have much battery left, and I couldn't find my spare battery, so let's soak this car. Okay. Yeah, so thanks for watching my tutorial on how to wash the car. You spray it with a water hose and that's it. You're done. You're done. Because look how clean it looks. Look at this. You can see a reflection. Look at that. Reflection for days. Don't mind the dirt spot. Don't look at the dirt spot. No, hold on guys. I'll get you set up so we can wash the car, alright? Yeah. And before it gets too dark, I'll show you the dried car. This isn't the ceramic coated, but you ain't gonna be able to see that anyway. So I dried it off. I got like a magic wet chamois kind of thing. But I mean, now look at it. You know, my gosh, you can definitely tell. Like, let's see, you can still see a little bit of water on it, but I mean, that back window is not anything like it was. You can definitely tell. But yeah, I mean, we're clean. One thing I am gonna do is we're fixing to take that off right down there. I'm not gonna have that etch into the paint. It's not gonna be a thing. But yeah, clean car. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what you've seen, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to. If you want to be a part of this community and this channel, feel free to click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. I'm gonna try and post like 2 times a month for right now until I can get some things rolling and we get the car paid off. But yeah, thanks for watching.